Welcome home to 4407 Molesworth Terrace, located on a private and quiet cul-de-sac in wonderful Mount Airy, Maryland. We can make it open to you every day with just 2 hours notice. If you're looking for a home with privacy, seclusion, and a resort feel, then this is the home for you. With a large fenced-in backyard, you can relax on the deck, the patio, or the poolside. All the pool equipment will convey with the home, including the solar cover, the pool cover, and it's all conveniently stored in the pool house. This home has been meticulously maintained and cared for. It's in move-in condition and ready for you to call home. There are 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. There is a large, spacious family room and an open living room that has a dining room and kitchen. When the owner needed to upgrade, they always did top of the line. There's no cutting corners on this house. There's a large entryway, office space, and an attached 2-car garage. Go to www.4407molesworthterrace.com to schedule an open house or contact your real estate professional. Or you can call 1-844-776-1831 extension 205 to schedule your open house. Most people pay to vacation at a home like this, but you can call it home. Stop on by.